Welcome back. This is the fourth videos, but on this video I want to briefly explain what is XML. XML stands for the Extensible Markup Language. It is a simple and flexible way to structure and store data on a format that is both human readable and machine readable. So you could come to this www.w3school.com and come to XML section and learn some about XML. It is very simple. All you could do that. Let me bring the is a very simple. It is like similar like HTML, but it is not HTML, but it worked. All the tag is similar to that. You could put like father. I will explain why I picked this name father and give them name father. And this whatever come, you see there's a, that's why it's a tag, starting tag and a ending tag. Your starting tag label must match your ending tag label, and your ending tag must end with a backslash. So inside that, whatever it come, it is ranked below the footer. Let's say it is a low ranking. There's a high ranking. There's a low ranking because it works like a sequence. After that, the low ranking. Let me put it a little bit clear. You will understand it. Let's put it after father. Who is it? And the rank of family is a son. So we put son and son. So on a if like there's a first tag, there's a second tag, and the same thing when you wanna like this one is belong to a father, you must put it on inside of your father tag. So it is there's a first ring, there's a second ring. But on a second ring, if you have like a information you want to add it, like a son has a name and anything, you just put same thing, you want to end it and you give them a label. You say, let's say name first. The son has a name, and name would be, and also a hint tag with name, and also the name is, let's say, Muhammad. And also the son has an age. You could give the age and age so the age is 30. So it worked like that. This is the first ranking, work like a ranking. Let me bring it to the tree that there's a picture, you will understand it more. If you come right here, there's a structure. The first root element, we call them, this is the element. Anything on a tag, they call them element. There's the element, and this is the element, this name, and this name is the element. Inside there's the value. So the first root that call, which I gave the father, that's the root element. After that, they are a parent child element. I gave them a son. And also right here they explaining that one, because the son, this is the parent father, this is the child has also attribute. You could sign attribute like that, category equal to, you need to give anything on double quotation or single quotation works fine too. So attribute equal to child, there has an attribute too, but this the child element, the book has a 3 sibling. The element title, author, year, and price. Like if you come right here, this has like a title, author, year, and price. And also that we create as a 2 sibling, age and name. Let's say this is the like they call about ranking. This has a name and age. This is the also they are sibling to each other, like name and age. They are sibling because they are in the same ranking. That's why. If it's like this, if it's inside, the son is inside the father because they call him child, and the inside son there is a name and age. They call him, this would be the child of son, that would be like grandson of the father. And but this one relate to this one is called him sibling. And similar right here, they are sibling. All this four, because it's belong to this. There's a what they are to each other. They are sibling. So that's why they call them a sibling. This one is sibling. That one's also sibling. Below that, every Italian let go, and there's another. They give them like a while. Each one has a like a value to it. Like this value is assigned, the tax assigned to it. So this is the tax. This is the tax. The value it up, and this is the same thing. But right now we call we call this for each other sibling. Also, you could call the book to another book is another sibling. You could call them to one another is another sibling. It is like a array type. One sibling, two sibling to each other is a sibling, and this also is a sibling. If you work like a element. So it's a very basic. This is the all XML. XML. That's why I wanna. If you wanna learn more, you could come to it and learn what is it. So this is like a root. After root is child. Then after child is subchild. So it work like that. You could add it to it, and the hint tag is like that. You can learn more about that, but just I want to mention it. So that's why all our code is almost either XML or JSON, and also will bring JSON when I use the JSON. But right now, the XML. So I feel like I want to explain it before I go to next video.